Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about number systems and numbers which are really used in our day-to-day life. So, what is number system? A number system is a method of representing numbers with the help of some symbols and rules. So, number system is a method of representing numbers using a set of symbols and rules. These systems are: number one, decimal number system, decimal system is based on base 10. Binary system base 2. Octal system base is 8. Hexadecimal system base is 16. Now, decimal number system is the standard number system we use in our day-to-day life, and human beings also understand this decimal system. Computers are based on binary system. So here we will mainly discuss about decimal number system. In decimal number system, there are 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in decimal number system, is 10 numbers or digits are used. Now these numbers are represented on a number line. Each point on the number line represents a unique number. decimal number system. Numbers. Now, numbers are represented on a number line. The line, suppose there is a point here O which represents 0. Each point on this number line represents a unique number. For every point there is a unique number. On the right side of this number line, from point O, numbers are positive, and on the left side, numbers are negative. Suppose we take equal distance, equal intercept, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. On left side are negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and so on. So there are various types of numbers. For example, number 1 is natural numbers. Natural numbers are set of counting numbers are called natural numbers. Set of counting numbers called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. All these are natural numbers, and it is denoted by capital N. So N is equal to set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are called natural numbers. Next is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are counting numbers including 0. It is counting numbers, that is natural numbers including 0. It is denoted by capital W. So whole numbers are set of 0 and counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So natural numbers plus 0 are called whole numbers. Then integers. What are integers? Integers are counting numbers, that is positive natural numbers 0 and minus natural numbers, negatives of natural numbers. Set of negative of natural numbers zero and natural numbers denoted by either Z or I. So integers are set of negative natural numbers -5, -4, -3, -2, and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are called integers. Then there are rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to I. Integers and Q is not equal to 0. All integers are rational numbers. Even all natural numbers, whole numbers, all are rational numbers. Because all these can be written in the form of P upon Q. For example, -3 upon 1. Similarly, 4 upon 1. So all these are subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers are decimal form of a rational number decimal forms are either terminating and non-terminating repeating. For example, three, 2.5, 3.6. So they are terminating type. And I'm repeating 0.3333. This can be written as 0.3. This is repeating. They are rational numbers, and next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. Irrational numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. In decimal form, are called irrational numbers. Denoted by P. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. Such are non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are called irrational numbers. And next is real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. So all the earlier numbers that we discussed are subset of real numbers. And there is complex numbers. Real numbers are a square of numbers is always positive. Here complex numbers it is of the form A plus iota B, where A and B are real numbers and here iota is a complex number. This is the square of this is equal to -1. This is the only number whose square is -1. This is the real part and this is imaginary part. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.